there, you're not in the wrong channel or the wrong video. It's just that in this video, we're going to rebuild this mini house with all the details, step by step, and see exactly how it was done easily and quickly, even a child can understand. Look at this exciting project. We're going to start by marking the 3m by 3m square on the floor, equivalent to our 9 square meters. The base of the small house is formed by pillars and a slab that is about 50 centimeters away from the ground. It's from this slab that the walls of the tiny house start. The small house is simple and compact. Only the walls that separate the bathroom from the rest of the space, as you can see in the measurements. And in the front, there are these two windows. Small windows, 40 centimeters wide by 70 centimeters tall, 1 meter above the ground, and with a door between the windows that serves as the entrance to the mini house. Above this window, there's a hole for the exhaust pipe of a small fan located inside the small house. In the back, there's another small window, measuring 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters, which is the bathroom window, and a bit higher up, another window of the same size since the ceiling height in the tiny house is higher. A total ceiling height of 3 meters. Inside, we can see that there was only tiling in the shower area in the bathroom, and on the other two walls, tiling goes up only halfway. The bathroom consists of a sink, toilet, and a shower. To complete it, there's a frosted glass door that slides to the side. In this area, there's also a kitchen counter with a sink and a 2-burner stove, with the fridge nearby. Just above the sink, there's a backsplash that extends from the counter to this point. Above it, there's an overhead cabinet with 4 compartments, 2 on one side, supporting the kitchen, and 2 on the other side. Above the bathroom, there's a platform that forms the bathroom ceiling and a mezzanine bed. Now, it makes sense to have these 2 compartments on this side, supporting the bed. In this space here, there's room left for a staircase made of USB crates. The body of the staircase is used as a wardrobe since these moving parts serve as doors. On the other wall, at the end of the bathroom, there's a wooden panel with shelves to accommodate utensils and a retractable table that serves as a countertop and a dining table. It can be folded up to save space. In the remaining space, there's an L-shaped sofa that seats 2 people and finishes at the beginning of the staircase. In the back, there are wooden coverings on the walls, which contribute to the thermal and acoustic efficiency of the mini house, with a top molding that provides the finishing touch. In the left corner, there's an air conditioner, and on the other wall, a TV is suspended near the tiny house's ceiling. Below this overhead cabinet, there are 2 small shelves, a dish rack above the fridge, and a switch on the wall, just like this second top molding that goes under the overhead cabinet and runs along under the bed until the end of the bathroom wall. On this wall above the sofa, there are 2 decorative frames. Again, up here, there are 2 more shelves that assist the bed area, reading lights. The tiny house's floor is made of light-toned wood, except for the bathroom, where the floor is ceramic. I forgot to mention, but inside, there are some more shelves on the bathroom wall, near the toilet. Hold on, there's still a cool part left. And for that, let's go back outside. Today, we have a small balcony in the front, which extends about 1.20 meters forward. On that side, there's a support piece of furniture that also serves as a guardrail and the limit of the mini house. The roof, as everything indicates, is made of thermal acoustic sandwich tiles. And in the front, the final touch is these branches that are part of the tiny house's painting and facade. That's it for today, folks. A big hug to all of you, and see you next time. Goodbye.